Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on quiet mode on the Facebook app. This is a great feature if you want to reduce distractions and limit your screen time on Facebook. So, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're in the app, look for the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Icon Settings. Now, under the Preferences section, look for an option called Your Time on Facebook. Tap on it. On the next screen, tap on Manage Your Time. Next, you'll see an option called Sleep Mode. Toggle it on to activate this feature. Once you enable Sleep Mode, you can customize it by setting a time range and days. This means you can decide when you want to muted Facebook notifications. And that's it. You've now successfully activated quiet mode on your Facebook app. It's a great way to stay focused and avoid getting distracted by constant notifications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.